This is going to be a full face of trying Rare Beauty from Selena Gomez. I have been so excited to try everything that I received in my PR package. I got it at the launch event, which was so nice. I do have some products that I have got from Rare Beauty before. You can see it in my Dubai beauty haul. I'm going to link it right here. Now I pretty much have mostly everything that I can do a full face with, and I'll also give you like my first impression and a little review on what I think of the product. So far, I absolutely love the packaging. I know that she has been very thoughtful with the way she has designed everything so that it's easier to hold. Starting my face by using their primer first. This is the Pore Diffusing Primer. It's a very lightweight mattifying primer. So the first impressions are that it's very smooth and easily blends into the skin. It does give an illusion of a very smooth skin. I have two shades of their tinted moisturizers, 46C, which is a darker shade, 30N, which is kind of like a lighter shade, slightly lighter. So I'm going to mix a little bit of the 46C, just a little bit of it. I think it was really thoughtful for them to kind of give two shades like this in a PR box, so everyone can match and make their own shade. This also has an SPF of 20. For a tinted moisturizer, this has great coverage. I also really like how it just blended without using any tool. My hand was just enough and just a little bit went a long way. Now I don't have a concealer with this, so I'm just going to use the shade 30N and kind of tap it underneath my eyes. So this is slightly lighter than my skin tone, so I think this will be perfect. I do want to try their concealer. I haven't had the chance to kind of go to Sephora and get color matched. I did try to buy it when I was traveling in Paris, but it was just like sold out everywhere. I couldn't get, like, I barely picked up any Rare Beauty because the stalls, they look like they were looted. I'm gonna leave my entire haul right here. I really like how it's not creasing underneath my eyes. It's so moisturizing, the formula, so it's sitting very well underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna use the bronzer stick. This is in the shade Happy Soul. This feels like I'm applying butter on my face. This glides onto the skin. It's very soft. I think I can blend this with my finger too. Look how nicely that blends. So impressed with the formula. Then I have two of their liquid blushes. Encourage is slightly darker, very cool toned mauve shade, and then I have Hope, light salmon pink. I have learned from previous mistakes not to take too much of this product, and I'm really going very soft-handed while I'm blending. Let's move on to highlighter. This is the Mesmerize Liquid Luminizer. I am going to be so frugal with the application because a little goes a long way. The liquid highlighter has a beautiful finish. It doesn't have any chunky glitter. You can't see it sitting on your skin, and it does not really highlight the natural texture. I have their highlighter. This is in the shade Exhilarate. And I had seen a lot of reviews where this was like broken for a lot of people, but thankfully this has been intact so far. I have heard reviews of how soft this is, so I'm going to use this on top of the highlighter that I have and also a little bit on my eyes. I think this is one of my favorite looks. It's been going on since January. So I'm going to use this Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner. This has a very precise tip. I love how precise I can get with this tip, and pretty much done with the liner. Breathing break. Okay, I think I might have found a new favorite eyeliner. This was so easy to create, even though I don't think I did the most even job, but it was so effortless to create the wing. I'm applying a little bit more blush because I feel like they don't stay the longest, and the time that I took to apply my eyeliner, my blush was almost gone. So I've taken just a little bit more, and now I'm going to set it with translucent powder. Next, I'm going to use the mascara. This is just called their black mascara. I don't have the highest hopes from the mascara, but we'll see. It is very separating and lengthening, but not as volumizing. So the mascara has not wowed me like the liner has, but I've applied like 3-4 coats, and so far it's good, it's not bad. Next, I'm going to apply the Kind Words matte lip liner. This is in the shade Lively. It's literally invisible on my lip color. I'm going to take the Kind Words lipstick in the shade Lively. This one is much more pigmented. I'm actually going to top up with this tinted lip oil in the shade Happy. This is very special to me because it has my name embedded on it. It's a nice soft pink. So this is the finished look. I have a few standout products like the tinted moisturizer, the eyeliner. I quite like it. I also really like how pigmented the blushes are, but it really needs to stay on longer. I also really like the liquid highlighter. Lastly, I have this face mist that I'm going to use. This is in Always On Optimist. This is a 4-in-1 mist. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried Rare Beauty products? I think they're also slightly overpriced for Indian market. They aren't in this price range abroad. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!